Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a 2007 Ford F250 with an ABS light on. So I pulled the code. It's for the right front sensor loss. So also the customer complained saying that he hears a noise in the front. So I'm kind of gambling that I'm gonna find a bad hub, but I'm gonna lift the tire up and spin it and see what I hear and just go on from there. So thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. Let's get started. Right wheel speed sensor input circuit fault. Input signal lost. I don't know if you can see that tire move. You can definitely hear it. So, all right, well, I got the new sensor in. I'm just gonna put it in and I'm gonna do a sensor and a connector on this one. So, to make it a little easier on me, I'm gonna put a little bit of lube on it. That way I don't fight it too much. Pretty easy to just pretty much slide right in. I mean, it's a little tight, but they do. Come on, come on. It's just rocking back and forth here. You gotta be careful, you don't want to break them. Either this here. There we go. Let's go in. There we go. Put in the bolt. Then it kind of ran through this hole. So I got it ran up here, I gotta pull this old one off. That'll go here. And then I'll have to find a way, once I connect it, to get it away from the oil leaks. Because see, this leaked oil all over it, and oil, when it gets on wires, it just makes them soft and brittle and stuff. But I really think, looks like there's a cut on here, so I'm just gonna replace this. And that, secure it out of the way, and then erase the codes and go on a road test. See what that noise is that guy's talking about. Just for uniformity, I always like to put the same one on. I don't think it matters on a speed sensor, but also don't forget I got the heat shrink right there. Got a nice pull on a little bit, make sure it's nice and solid. Give that a minute to cool off, harden up. Seems like it hardened up pretty well now. I'm gonna connect it. I'm gonna zip tie it up there. Alright, I've got both the wheel sensors for the front. Let's see if it's gonna work. So far, so good. All right, guys, well, I just got back from the road test. I don't hear no noise, no ABS light on. It's getting a signal to the computer, so that part's fixed. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. See you on the next one. Later.